Hi, Richard and everyone with Dan Keenan Paint Company. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to briefly go over a couple of things we can do with your website here. Start having it rank higher in Google, start making the internet bring you guys even more business. So let's get started. I've got your website up here. I really like your logo up here at the top, your contact number right here, your click to call, your call to action, get a quote right up here at the top. That's really great. As we come down, we've got a little bit about you guys here, some of the different painting things that you cover. You can move this up a little further too, just so that it's readily available right here for customers to click on when they come onto your website. And then as we come down, we've got another estimate option, which is nice. Some different reviews for people to see, which is great. You can add actual testimonials and reviews on this homepage as well. And then as we come down, we've got your contact information again, so that's nice in the footer. It looks like you've got a little link to Facebook. It's always great to add any other social media that you have on here and give your customers another way to connect with you. So what Google really cares about is the content. And it wants to see you sitting at about a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. And that lets Google know that you guys are kind of an authority figure on this. And you want it to be quality content. Now, in addition to that quality content, they want to see buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout it. And they want that because when clients are typing in things like, as you can see up here, house painter Dallas or painter Dallas, you can do painter Dallas, Texas. That's not found on your home page right now, but these are things that your clients are going to be typing into Google when they're searching for your services, and Google's crawlers will read these phrases within your content, and it's going to start to rank you up higher because it knows that you can help the people that are searching for those services. So we want to get that updated. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so backlinks is just a shout out from another website. Google's similar to a popularity contest. And so backlinks just let Google know that you are trustworthy and relevant, but they also want to make sure the other websites giving you those shout outs are trustworthy and relevant as well. So not all backlinks are created equal. Now the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are other free tools out there. So what we're going to take a look at here first is this UR and DR. So this is your trust rating with Google. This is your power rating. We want these to be much higher and we want them to be much closer. And so these are influenced by your backlinks. The backlinks just come from these referring domains. And so this is letting us know that the backlinks you guys currently have maybe aren't as powerful, aren't as relevant, aren't as trustworthy as they need to be, and they're not doing very much for you at this time. So you want to get some higher quality backlinks. Now, we'll take a look here. I put in Big Al's Painting, which is one of the top competitors in your area. And just as a quick note, as you can see on their website, they've got much more content than you guys do already. So definitely want to get that updated. But I put them into Ahrefs too. And as we can see, their UR and DR ratings are not very high and not very powerful either. And again, they've got quite a few backlinks. They're just not going to be as trustworthy, as relevant, as powerful as they need to be. As you can see, they don't have any organic keywords at this time. And you guys at least have 16 organic keywords. But I would bump this up. I'm not sure if you have any of these keywords on your homepage or if they're just on your additional pages. But as we look through here, yeah, you guys are doing good. So what we can look at here is the position that you're ranking for these and start to aim to boost these. So we want to add these a little bit more onto your homepage and start improving your position for them, because that's also going to bring you guys further up. Now, you can also explore, I'll show you here really quick, you can also explore some other keywords. So if you guys don't have like house painters Dallas, Texas, which has 70 people searching for it, painter Dallas, Texas, which has 60 people searching for it per month. So imagine if you guys are getting half of these or 40% or 30% or 20%, whatever your goal is, 15% of these people you're closing on 5% even, you know, increasing that volume that's coming into you. So the last thing that we're going to touch on here is this area right here called the local map pack or the Google My Business. And so how you get here is you need to have a Google business profile and you want to have it filled out completely. So business name, address, hours, you want to have photos in there. You want to have them geotagged. You want to have your description filled out with 700 words of quality content again, and you want to sprinkle more of those buyer intent keywords within it. And then you want to make sure you've got your citation in as many directories as possible. Now, a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number, and a directory just includes things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. So once we start improving the content that's on the homepage, the keywords on the homepage, and improving those backlinks, you guys will start to rank organically, which is this area right down here. And you want to be in that first, second, or third position. And then once you get that GMB optimized, filled out all the way, and get your citations in as many places as you can, you're going to start to rank right up here. And you can also check out where your top competitors have their citation listed, get yourself added to those exact same directories, and then go above and beyond that. If they're in 150, get yourself into 200, 250. You can really blow these guys out of the water. All right, that's all I've got for you guys. I can't wait to hear your feedback. So thank you.